Tired of messy outdoor spaces? This cordless leaf blower is lightweight yet powerful, making yard cleanup a breeze. The set includes 2 batteries and a fast charger, delivering up to 20 minutes of runtime. With simple assembly, you'll be ready to tackle leaves and debris in no time. Perfect for driveways, patios, or gardens, it's an excellent addition to your outdoor tools. Keep your devices powered on the go with this solar charger power bank, boasting a 10,000 mAh capacity. It can fast charge 3 devices simultaneously, including wireless charging for compatible gadgets. The built-in solar panel recharges the power bank under sunlight, ideal for outdoor adventures. With dual flashlights and an IPX5 waterproof rating, it's rugged and reliable for any journey. Print your favorite memories instantly with this portable mini photo printer that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. Utilizing zinc technology, it prints without ink cartridges, relying on color crystals in the paper. The peel and stick backing turns your photos into stickers for creative displays. Lightweight and compact, this printer makes it easy to carry your creativity wherever you go. This folding stool adjusts from 2.5 to 18 inches in height, making it versatile for various activities. It supports up to 485 pounds with its durable plastic and non-slip base. Easily open or close it with a twist motion. Weighing just 2.5 pounds and featuring a handy strap, it's portable enough for camping, picnics, or any situation where you need a quick seat. Relax in comfort with these periscope glasses, allowing you to read or watch TV while lying down. They're lightweight and crafted from durable materials for easy wear. These glasses work seamlessly with prescription eyewear, enhancing convenience. With their quirky design, they add a touch of fun to your reading or gaming session. A practical and entertaining addition to your leisure time. Eliminate the hassle of dropped items with this car seat gap filler that blocks the space between your seat and center console. It attaches easily to the seatbelt catch and moves with the seat for a secure fit. The set includes 2 fillers, a slide-free pad, and an LED light. Keep your car organized and safe from those hard-to-reach gaps effortlessly. This weed puller simplifies gardening with its bamboo handle, allowing you to remove weeds without bending or kneeling. The 4-claw steelhead design grips weeds firmly, making removal from soft soil easy, especially after rain. Trusted by gardeners for over a century, this tool is a durable and ergonomic solution for maintaining your garden with minimal effort. Stir hands-free with this automatic pan stirrer that rotates on its own, making cooking simpler. Place it in your pan, push a button, and let it handle the stirring with forward and backward motions. With 3 adjustable speeds, it caters to different recipes. The heat-resistant nylon legs are removable for cleaning. Battery-operated and cordless, it's a convenient addition to any kitchen. This multi-tool in the shape of a key combines over 16 essential tools into a sleek design that attaches easily to your keychain. At just 0.77 ounces, it's TSA compliant, making it ideal for travel or outdoor excursions. Built with durable stainless steel, it offers a bottle opener, screwdriver, wire stripper, and more for your daily needs. This magnetic key holder offers a reliable and hidden solution for storing spare keys outdoors. Specially designed for undercar placement, it uses strong magnets to secure your keys in place. The moisture-resistant ABS material ensures it withstands various weather conditions. Keep your keys accessible yet out of sight with this practical device. This phone stand conveniently mounts to surfaces like beds or desks for hands-free use. Its flexible gooseneck arm adjusts to any angle, and the sturdy clip accommodates devices from 4 to 7 inches. Protect furniture with its scratch-resistant clamp while enjoying video calls, reading recipes, or watching shows without neck strain. This 3-tier rotating makeup organizer keeps your space clutter-free with its 360-degree turntable design. Durable PET plastic and sturdy metal construction let it store toiletries, makeup, or office supplies. Customizable height options fit your needs, and assembly is quick without tools. Perfect for maximizing storage in tight spaces. This smart plug lets you manage home devices with Alexa or Google Home voice commands. Setup is simple. Just connect to Wi-Fi and follow the app's steps. Schedule devices to turn on or off automatically, making it perfect for lamps, fans, and more. Control everything remotely from the app wherever you are. This electric grinder quickly processes up to 120 grams of spices or herbs in seconds. Its see-through lid helps you monitor the grind's texture with one hand. The one-button design activates only when the lid is pressed, ensuring safety. Stainless steel blades and a high-speed motor provide fast and precise results every time. This cable sleeve organizes cords neatly while protecting them from damage. Measuring 8.2 feet, it includes a zip tool for easy setup. Cut it to your desired length, insert cables, and zip it closed for a clean finish. Its flexible material accommodates tight bends, making it versatile for home or industrial spaces. This digital scale ensures precise weight measurements with a clear LCD display for easy reading, even in dim lights. It powers on and off automatically to conserve energy. The tempered glass platform provides stability and durability, while its ability to switch between kilograms and pounds makes it user-friendly. This laptop stand raises your screen to an ergonomic level, improving posture and reducing strain. Its height and angle are adjustable for personalized comfort. A 360-degree rotating base allows easy sharing during collaboration. Designed with ventilation cutouts, it prevents overheating for better device performance. This footrest provides a comfortable way to reduce leg fatigue on long flights. Its adjustable straps ensure easy setup on planes or desks. Memory foam enhances circulation and reduces swelling. The set includes extras like an eye mask and earplugs, all compact for effortless travel. This motion sensor trash can simplify disposal with its hands-free operation. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish stays clean and shiny. With a capacity of 50 liters, it offers ample space without requiring a liner. Its quiet closing lid can remain open if needed. Long-lasting batteries provide up to 8 months of use. This smart lock provides keyless entry with fingerprint recognition, keypad codes, Bluetooth app, or a physical key. It locks automatically and allows temporary guest codes for added convenience. Installation is simple, requiring only a screwdriver. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, it integrates seamlessly into smart home setups. This versatile hanging hook system saves space by mounting under cabinets or tables. Its 180-degree flip design offers easy access, while each hook rotates 360 degrees for customization. With 6 hooks per unit, it's perfect for organizing utensils, towels, or small items in tight spaces.